It's not fun and it's not cute.
Although it is fun and cute.
It's fun and cute. It's so fun and cute.
I know.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
So today, we're getting holiday creative. This is box.
1225.
Which box is it?
1225.
That was good. Very good.
We're gonna do an ornament today. And if you saw our last ornament video, this one, it kind of coordinates with it. These two will look good together if you wanna do both of them.
Yeah, love the colors and just the feel.
This is a quick and easy one. We're gonna do a stencil.
Yep, so we're painting and it's personalized. So that's a really fun part of it too.
So why don't we get right into it?
Let's go.
It's more important that I think you look at the edges and the hole is gonna pretty much be in the right place. Ooh, I've got to watch out for that hole.
Yeah, there's a little bit of naked wood right there.
I think definitely doing the dark color first, because if you accidentally touch those leaves, you're gonna cover it back up with the green.
Yeah, because there's more of this. It'll be easier to be really careful about the leaves.
And if you accidentally paint in the little hole, you can just go back over it.
Yeah, just go back and forth till you get it right.
I guess it's my turn to clean the brushes.
Yes. You can clean your fingers too. Yeah, I'm good to clean your fingers off.
Remember, if it bleeds at all, that's the look you were going for.
That's right. I like this one.
Yes, yeah, this one's sharp. It was really easy to do the stencil, and we didn't get any bleed through. And once you put that layer of
Ultra matte.
awesome
stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna show
It's
that
just
to you.
it's so chalky, and I think that's what we like.
Yeah.
We love chalk paint. So
Right, so you can buy this in just plain matte, but it's more like your Mod Podge matte. It's still gonna have a little bit of sheen to it, but this ultra matte, it really allows you to enjoy that chalk paint look. So it's not gonna give it any shine at all.
it brings out the texture of the wood, so you're not really hiding that, which we love.
I'm having a hard time deciding if I like the raw edge look or the painted.
Yeah.
I really like them both, so if I did this again, I don't know which one I'd do.
Hard choice.
And another idea, we are actually going to use these
Yes, as
teacher gifts. Yes.
tell anybody.
It's a surprise.
Yeah.
That's a fun idea too.
Great little tag on a package if you wanted to do a little bit more. Then this is the name tag.
This would also be a really fun party craft to do.
We could do this as a party box.
You can always send us
Yep.
a message if you have any special requests. We'd love to hear from you. Hope you
Very
enjoyed
good.
crafting with us today.
Yep. We will see you next time.
Till next time.